Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Hey guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Mayweather. Hi, well, guys, this is now crazy. Like, how was this premeditated, guys? Guys, like, honestly, how? Why? Mabono kininda wayenza shem movie yabo. Lengapheli, ayipheli cause you know why also. You see how late Mgomo used to put it and say, it's manufactured and cooked. You're gonna cook it for a long time. How crazy, guys. Premeditated nini sasihlezi sihlanganisa lo mazungu and all of those things esasiyicabanga or ngithi uzungu. Guys, it's a lot. It's all over the place, this case. Umuzi Sibiya athi nakaza zamboni accused number 5 in 2014. Because Umcholo is like, I'm trying to establish ukuthi, did you guys meet? I need you to premeditate and be like, yeah, Kelly Kumalo, like how Zungu said, they were together, drinking together, and then at some stage they got lost. Babu Yafutsipsug, and then they started talking about, hey, Bonile, hey, Sambula, like, guys, Uzungu. Because Uzungu came up with the story, so good, and they said that they were special accused number 1 who was talking about Uguti. Usenzo Mayweather has just died. Guys, listen. Accused number 1, Umuzika Ukulelwa Sibiya, is not budging. He's just like, whatever. I wasn't here. I wasn't in Johannesburg. In my village, in Matlabatin. I wasn't near Kelly's house. I wasn't near anyone. Yebo, I do come to Johannesburg now and then, and I actually did come at some stage, but not around the time when Senzo Mayweather was actually unalived. Joba saying na 6 years. Obviously, I mean, he didn't say that. Joba saying na 6 years, he said jail for something I didn't do. Guys, now I see what happened, right? I need to in 2014, 2015, and 2016, all the accused Babenga Gaze Baboshe, because we were still manufacturing. Obviously, I mean, we needed to cook for at least 3-4 years so that we can be like, okay, we nailed them. These are the people. Obviously, I mean, if you go accused number 5, vele uze mgulugu to office kebe ngu from Budala. Umzwila ngithi ukuthi uphumile nalaphana at Madlanga. The reason why we are still continuing to help him out, Tina Sinomshololo, obviously, I mean, right? It's because we just trying to clear him around the Senzo Mayweather because he wasn't there. So I was still saying, guys, I see why we are where we are. In 2017, accused number 1, Umuzika Kulelwa Sibiya, did go to Basotho. It's actually Basotho hostel, and we use Basotho or accused number 1. It's Basotho hostel, right? That's where Uzungu was and Kwabini. And then Uzungu Naiza hlanganisas everything and just like, what? This is my story. Nakhona uselando ubani vele. And then abesefaka no baba ko Absalom, and Absalom is like, please, I don't want to be talking about those people. Actually, if something had to happen to me, Guyo Buzwa Bani o Brigadier Bongani Kininda, you'll also ask my own child, Constable Zungu. So I see now why we are where we are. The story started in 2017. Zungu had to make it look like it's got 2014. So you want to scoop manje. So siyaphuma manje ngomsholo le story ukuthi no, actually this is how it went down. The first time I met Zungu, and we ibeka kahle uthi Umuzi Sibiya ngize ngibone ubuso bunje the first time ngabona lobuso lobu obukaZungu. It was the first time in my life. Not in 2014, guys. Like, honestly, guys, oh my gosh. Like you've never seen. You know, because it's just like, oh my gosh, Mchololo. Because your one accused number 1 wasn't even here. He met, and Josh Rasamokotlen, you know, he does believe in Zungu, right? Yeah, he's like mentioned it before. Guti, he does believe in Zungu. Where did he mention him? I've just remembered now. When he was giving verdict on accused number 4 with uNxumalo when he was applying for 174. You remember? Yeah. Yuguti, he must be acquitted or accused number 4. You know, he made his verdict around Zungu. I was just like, I can't. This guy needs like serious help. Judge Rat. Manje uborekile is like just like, oh my gosh, these guys, they didn't premeditate this. Please, like, what am I gonna do here, manje? I mean, you remember that guy that guy used to lie. Oh my gosh, host. And until Pinky Vitalingam came, Loase Vodacom. And then we realized, no, actually, why were we even listening to that guy? But it doesn't work for any network. Pinky Vitalingam, Ukamge Vodacom. She knows what she's talking about. As this is now accused number 1. Angas given a phone number accused number 5. Gizoyens and Mazelapi. Like that. You understand? For which is for Nelan, busy premeditating to delete to send me. You can't be serious right now. But it's a truth to social you cannot even be serious right now. You like serious can't say Makaya. A phone number Okosi that he mentioned and said it was for accused number 5. It's for Lungisani and Lungisani, no brothers or accused number 1. They are siblings. Yo, Okos guys, oh my gosh. And they were sitting there lying this whole time. And we kept on saying, please, host, stop with the lies. Yo, ngasanga video when I said host must just stop. Because honestly, ngizokwazi kuyifaka ku description because I kept on saying abona ke nangumuntu uPinky Vitalingam is the person because you can't go wrong. Angithi she works for the network. Kanti ngapha uKhosi uGinda uthi mixala push here, here's a new number I created other phone numbers for them. Now wasebenzisa and say it's their numbers. Guys, no. It's not working. He's exposed to uKhosi again. Uze wamention ukuthi namanje basukulele umzala wakhe uLungisani futhi I think bazalana ngomama. You know how it is manzalana ngomama, like how it is with my cousins. I mean, they like my sisters, those people. For example, I don't say they are my cousins when you say osisibam. So uthi bamsukela umzala nginokumfanele umzala amakhonto engiyifunayo accuse number 1. That was his statement to umshololo ukuthi ngiyamfonela bamsukela umzala wami. Guys, Okhosi basasa amafoni number wapha abantu. Ngobani? Usunyiwe phela now you are at work, you need to be paid. Bukininda when they were manufacturing their movie. They had too many extras. Remember what I said last week? It's too many extras that you need to pay. And then Uchiko comes and say, angazi why people think I have that money. It's a sapmina lo mali. Accused number 1 went to other levels today. That phone number is my mzala's phone number. That's my cousin's phone number. And no accused number 5 minutes. I've never called him. And corruption, I love it. Mr. Shogajal, ati corruption jail yenzekala. I was just like, and he's not budging, and he is confident. Guys who jail for 5 years for nothing. The state must just pay these people actually 1 billion rand, all of them. But actually more, in fact. And it's bagas 2 billion. It's in bis. Ababa we're done. Guys, the accused number 1 was even pushing Gucci. That number, Lungisani's number must be called now. At court. Okay, guys, but that's a lot accused about 5 for a manga. They are just like so exhausted actually. When they adjourned for like 15 minutes, Nisi Ganyino attorney Sipora Musipidi, they went straight to Mshonolo. Let's allow the phone number, see phone. I'm just like, you know what, guys? It's a lot. Guys. Later. Thank you guys for always supporting this channel. Ngintanda over. Listen guys, sekune-membership na ufuna ukujoyina, it's 15 rands. Sometimes if ufuna ukulahlela nje i-donation kuphuma kuwena. Angithi lezi zinto guys zokupha, you know, I'll put it in Zulu proper, ziqhamuka from enhlizweni ukubona leyo nto leyo. So akubali ukuthi ufuna ukupha 5 rand, ufuna ukupha 30 rands, ufuna ukupha 50 rands, kuphuma kuwena noma yini nje esuka enhlizweni yakho. But I appreciate you guys anyways for always loving this channel. Nami nginithanda over.